Hi friends, my name is Mohit and welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Support. Friends, today we will learn how we can create the application server on Windows 10. Yes, application server on Windows 10. Yes, guys, we can install small application like our visitor management system, attendance system, leave management system, CCTV monitoring system. There are lots of applications which we are using in the office, and these applications we can install our own Windows 10 machine. Here we have to enable the our one services for creating the application server. So guys, let's start. So guys, I have created two virtual machine. So suppose we will create a virtual machine on a Windows 10 Pro. This is a one server system, application server. You can assume that. And PC one is their client system. So how your employees can access your application server. So guys, let's start. Here we need to go to the command is app viz.cpl. So here you can see that the Windows turn Windows feature on or off. Here we need to enable one service, Internet Information Services. Here I am clicking on this thing. So here I am creating a virtual machine. So click on OK. So guys, here it will take some time and install some updates or activate these services. It will take 1 or 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It all depends on your system speed. So guys, I think it will work. Otherwise, I have to pause my video, but I think it will work. It will not take some more time. So guys, it's installed. Now just click on OK. Now what we can do? Now is by default application server is ready. So how we can access this that? First of all, we need to check is IP address. So this application server can be accessed from the internal private IP address. So here I am typing the IP config. This is the IP address for application server. I'm just copying this thing. Here I need to paste this IP address. Now let's see. Here you can see our default application server page. Now we will check the same page on our client system also. So here we can access this application server on our client page. So here I need to type the IP address 172.21.85.205. Now let's see. Now guys, you can see that our default application server is ready. So now what we can do? So now we can call to the vendor guy who will get their application data and deploy their code on this application server. So for example, here I will what I will do is a professional one. Yeah. So here what I will do, I will install deploy the code and I will replace this picture. As I show you that we are enabling the or deploying the code for your visitor management system, the same process, just copy and paste. They come with their code and just copy and paste there. And after that they do some configuration test and your application server is ready. So guys, now we can see that how we can replace this home page. So I'm minimizing this thing. Here I'm going to the file. Here inet folder www.root. Here I want to replace this file. So after that my home page will be replaced. So going to picture here I already copy my tech support file. So I'm just copying this thing and going back to the www root. I'm just replacing this picture. Just replace. They also replace your file. Nothing to do. or after that done some configuration. So now what we do now we need to go to the home page and just refresh. Here you can see our tech support application server is ready. And when we will go to the our client system, here whatever we will change it on this our application server. So here we just replace and you can see that our tech support page is ready. So guys, have you seen that is a how much easy the install the application server of Windows 10. It's also save our cost. If we will go for buy a original server, and if we will go and then buy the license for SQL Server or lots of services, so it will the cost will go very high. So I'm not saying that this desktop application will work on every organization, on a large organization, but it will work. Or if you have a 100 or 200 employee, then this the desktop application will work. Maybe 500 employee you can also work on this desktop application. So it will save your cost. I hope you understand my video on how you learn that it's very easy to install application server on your desktop Windows 10 machine. So if you like my video guys, please share with your friends. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe the same. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.